उलो मारला की एलायन्स करतले जाल्यार वांगडाच करचें म्हणून आनी तुमचें तेंच्यांनी बरें म्हटल्यार डोज आहा ते आरजेबींतल्यान तुमकां ओपन आहा म्हणून सो कशें कितें तुमी हें करता
कितें जाता पयलीं सद्या आमी गोंयकार पयलीं हांव सदांच म्हणटा parties we are aligned with, but first we are Goinkar. The need of the hour is that everyone comes together. Grand opposition alliance पण हांव सदांच कोण म्हणटालो की हांवें बड्डे दिसा बड्डे दिसा एक नवी सुरवात करपाक जाय म्हणून तें म्हाका दिसता थोड्यांक तिकट लागलें थोड्यांक म्हाका दिसता आय बिलीव काँग्रेस पार्टी एज अ होल we are confident that this alliance will be taken. It has to be announced early. Definitely with other political parties. Moge mat ha very open that we are in the opposition today fighting in the assembly. And you can see the effect. If the Congress would fight without other support of other political parties in the assembly, hui na hui amka dista, there would be a difference. But today when we are fighting in the assembly, why should not we fight also as an alliance? So Maka Khatri ha, and all the political parties need to understand that to win Goa we have to be together, and I believe that the Congress being the principal opposition party definitely will take the steps towards this. Definitely we initiated it during the RG. Thodank te dukle, kityak dukle maga khabar na. I cannot comment on that, but I was very open that all of us, there are NGOs, there are activists, there are people, like-minded people wanting this alliance, and I will make sure that this has to happen.
कोणाक नाका म्हणटा कोणाक तिकले म्हणटा हे जाल्यार म्हणटा तुमच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक
हांव जेन्ना आय विल नॉट टेक स्पेसिफीक नेम प्लीज डोंट पुट वर्ड्स इन माय माउथ कोणाक दुखता वो कोणाक लागता ते तेमी लावन घेचे हेंय सांगता गोंयचे पासत आमी पयले गोंयकार पयले then we are all first, then comes our political party. And today the way Goa is being murdered and raped, it is high time, and this initiative, I tried to also make it during my birthday. You had seen most of the people there, and definitely the way forward is that we have to be together. You see today, this is not a movement. This is a call, this is a reality check for all political parties. Every political party must look at it. Yes, alliance comes at sacrifices, and now the Swaraj Munda. And definitely, all of us sitting together, we should make sure and give a clear-cut message to going forward and channelize this force. This anti-BJP force needs to be channelized. I am confident with the blessings of the people, with the blessings of Goinkar, Ami, Ektai, Ek, Grand Opposition Alliance कशें मुखार हें झूज गोंयच पासत बीजेपी विरोध मांडटा.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.